How is it going, everyone? Today we have another video. We'll be doing pork tacos, and we'll be using the grill to grill our pork, and we'll be showing you step by step, or at least I hope we will. And we hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up, a share, a like. Thank you so much. Okay, now we're gonna put our pork in the grill. Been marinating overnight in our Boricua seasonings, you know, Boricua all the way, 100%. Esta chuleta van a quedar, ya tú verás. Yeah, these pork chops, once they're done, we're gonna cut them up in pieces. And that'll be just one step towards our tacos. We'll be showing you all those steps. Anyone could do this at home. Grill up some pork. I choose pork chops because it's just good meat, I don't know, for those tacos. You might use ribs, it all depends, but today we're using pork chops. Alright, so now we're just gonna let them cook. We'll turn them around and we'll show you in a few minutes what it is once it turns around, how it looks. Thank you. Okay, mi gente, now we're gonna see how the pork chops are coming out for our pork tacos. Looking good. We're gonna see if we turn them around now. First time turning them around. They're looking awesome. They smell better than they look. So here we are. We're just gonna let them cook on the other side, and we'll be back shortly. Vamos a dejar que se cocinen y venimos pronto para atrás para chequearla. Okay, my peoples, now we're gonna check the pork and see how is it going. Not bad, looking good. I'm gonna just turn them around real quick. I don't think they're. They're getting there. Oh, they're getting there. Turn the ones that need to be turned, and the ones that don't, leave them alone. See if I get everything in the middle area here. Oh my God, this is looking awesome. Okay, everyone, so they're still cooking. We'll be back when they're done. Okay, at this point the pork chops should be done for our tacos. Oh yeah. So, and pardon me guys, I'm doing this video by myself. So, holding it, the phone and doing everything, so please bear with me. Sorry. Things get better, we'll have better equipment. And there we go. Now we'll head on to the next step where we'll be cutting the meat up. in our cutting board, adding a little special touch to it with our special seasoning. We'll show you that, and then we'll go to the following step. I just finished washing my hands. Now we're gonna go on to the next step. We're gonna cut the pork chops for our tacos. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this too. And you can cut it according to the size you want it. Some people might want strips, some people might want little squares, it all depends. This is the step of cutting the meat. We'll be back shortly once all the meat is cut, and we'll show you the next step. Okay, now that we're done cutting the pork into strips, we're gonna add our sauce that I said earlier, chimichurri, which is here. We're gonna mix it up. And you could be liberal with it. Once again, make sure you have your hands nice and clean before you do anything dealing with meat or food, period. We're gonna just mix it around here. This is gonna grab awesome taste. If you ever had this sauce, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But we're gonna be liberal. We're gonna add the rest of it. And this is what it should look like once it's seasoned and ready for the next step. At this step right now, we're warming up the tortillas. And as you see, we have all the stuff here that we will be needing for the rest of the steps. We're also going to be doing a flour tortilla. We'll be showing that one next. But at the moment, we're warming up our corn tortilla. Also, we have here cilantro, chopped cilantro, tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, mild cheddar cheese, and lettuce, salsa verde, and we also have habanero sauce for those that want something a little bit more spicier. So like I said, we're almost done doing this, and we'll be repeating the same step with the flour tortilla. We'll be warming this up. You want to make sure you get a nice warm, and then we'll be showing you the next steps after that. Okay, at this point we have both the flour tortilla and the corn tortilla already nice and warm. So now's the fun part. We're gonna put this together. So over here we have the meat that we did earlier on the grill. It's ready to go. So we're gonna grab some meat. And you can use any type of meat you want. We're using pork on this one. We're doing something different. Like I said, you can use steak, chicken. Feel free to use anything you want. So we got some meat on there. Now we're gonna put some. We got some cilantro. Put a little bit of cilantro. Then we got tomatoes. Add some tomatoes to this beautiful creation. Lettuce. Lechuga. So we'll add some lettuce, and then we'll be adding some cheese. This is mild cheddar cheese. Well, somebody's phone went off. And you can add as much as you want or as little as you want. For the first taco, this one is not the flour. Yeah, this is the corn one. We're gonna be using the habanero one, and we're gonna go light on it because it does say that it's very hot. So I put about 4 little drops. You can add more. Honestly, don't know how hot it is. Haven't tried it yet. And then for this one, we're going to use the salsa verde or tomatillo sauce, as we know it. And there you go, guys. I mean, it took less than an hour to do this, and it's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you everyone for watching the video.